What's up, guys? Let's see what it sounds like. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of WrightHere. My name is Joe Wright, and you're right here. Just want to say a big thank you to everyone who watched the last episode. It was a great chat with Fionn. I thought today, it being Tuesday, I'm going to do another YouTuber event thing, yoke. And today we're going to make some cookies. Yeah, I'm going to bake this time. Yeah. Right, let's see how it goes. Y'all voted for it. That was my one. And I feel that you knew. That was my one, so you voted for that. This is also mine too. Look at that fella. Right, guys, so this week, Tuesday, I'm going to do another YouTuber thing. I'm going to bake. What do I bake right now? I don't know what I'm going to bake. I'm going to bake cookies from scratch. The very own cookies from scratch. Yeah. JoJo's cookies. That's what I'm going to call them. Chocolate chip masterpieces. Yeah, let's see how it goes. And now they're cooking. Let's go. Yeah. So, went in the oven, went in for the right amount of time, and then I left them for another minute. Fine. Turned away for a minute, looked back, and then this is what's in it. And they're still cooked, they're still good to go. I'm just like, what the fuck? But yeah, that's how we taste it. Double chocolate chip. Much good, yeah. Love it. Yeah, fair job. Right, catch you in the next one, guys. See you on Friday.